So I greet everybody.
Great.
So firstly, I'm so excited just to be in this praise because not everybody has just gotten this opportunity. Just for being this praise, it is the grace of God. So I could not be here, but to be here is the grace of God because others have passed away. By me, I'm still alive by the grace of God. So, and secondly, I give much welcome and thanks to our representative of this establishment who has just organized this party of Erisam. I will just appreciate him. Maybe a round of applause, just a clap for him. And also much thanks to our teachers who treat themselves just to teach us, especially these things related to the knowledge, because not everybody who got this opportunity just for having just read this praise on this establishment of Elsa. As we got this opportunity, just we profit it, because I remember that same former days I wasn't able in English, but now I can just try myself off about just defining myself, especially when I'm getting close to the white people. I can try for that. And much thanks to our headmasters who just delegate us or read us in good way. Even he used just to give us some punishment for those for latecomers, but he was in a good way educating us so that I can be educated. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Arakoze cyane.
I give to my teacher.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing? Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank the Almighty God for today. Okay, you know, today
Yes,
is a special day. You know, it's like, once a year, it's like one opportunity. Then I'd like to thank, first of all, God, who enabled us to be here. Okay, I want each one of you to clap mightily for yourself. No. Okay, please, if you didn't make it as I wished, you know, it's like a privilege, okay? It's an opportunity, it's a grace, okay? I want you to acknowledge that by clapping mightily for God, not for me. I don't know, not for legal representative, but for God. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I'd like to know Etesam exists because of him. Then we just hear. Let's secondly appreciate by clapping our legal representative there. Okay, I thank you, sir, very much. Simply, you are a blessing. Okay, I'm not having words, okay? I'm not getting words, but you're such a blessing, okay, for the students, okay, first of all, okay, for us, teachers, okay, for parents, okay, you're just a blessing for this zone, okay, for this country, okay, for this region, okay, you need to know that you're such a heartly blessing for the world. Let's simply say for the world, okay? I simply acknowledge everything that you do. Okay, thank you very much. May God continues to increase you. Okay, let's clap again for the legal representative. Okay, that's number two. And number three, I'd like to thank all my colleagues, okay, teachers, you know. I'm an English language teacher. I have colleagues, okay, they teach different subjects. Okay, I'd like to thank my colleagues, okay, we work together, we work well. But before, I'd like to apologize, okay, I didn't thank the director, you know, he's a great man, okay, you know, his personality, everything, I simply like, let's say, everything about him. Let's clap for the director, our director. Okay, I don't want to be too long, but I'd like to thank everyone, okay, you students, okay, I can see you are looking good, okay, I can see you are ready. We just already in the beginning, but you see, I can feel the spirit, I can see you are ready. May you clap for yourself, okay, you students. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'd like to finish by thanking each one of you, all of you. Let's expect something, okay? I'm ready. Let's all of us be ready for the remaining of the program, okay? Thank you once again. I'm so sorry for being too long, but I thank you. Good.
Honey, what did you work alone today?
No, that's because I didn't see you. I don't know where you have been.
I was preparing some breakfast.
So I don't have enough time just to talk to you.
Why?
So I'm in a hurry. So
Why? Don't you take a breakfast?
I want to be on time today.
Oh, honey, please.
Every day I'm late. But
Nah.
today I want to be on time.
Just take a breakfast.
So I'm in a hurry
2
now.
seconds, please, honey.
I know you love me.
Yeah.
I know you love me.
Yeah, of course I love
You
you.
always tell me about morning breakfast.
Of course, yes.
But let me tell you that this morning I
Just-
don't have time.
Just
Please.
sweetie,
So-
put me on it, please.
By the way, well, I'm a children.
Yeah. Enoch. Come, you're the need you.
Houston.
Of course, yes. August.
How are you?
How are you? Yeah, hi.
Are you fine? So what are you having?
For go to school, Dad. We are preparing going to school now.
And you? Where have you been?
I have been at Rome.
Okay, that's okay. Are you good?
Yes.
I think everything is ready.
Yeah.
So I'm going to the work. See you next time.
Oh, Dad, have a good day.
You take care of yourself and thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Take care, honey. Take care, honey.
I'm going to school, Mom.
Are you going to school?
Yes, we are going.
Yeah, just go. But you stay here.
I cannot go to school without money. I need money so that I can buy something.
Yo, sweetheart, right now I don't have money, but tomorrow I will give you.
Mama, we go to school. We time is
You
last.
will not go anywhere. You
Why,
will
Mama?
be here. Just, I don't, just cook the breakfast. And don't talk to me like that.
Time is last.
No, I'm just,
Every day.
I will give you sweetheart tomorrow. Just go to school, don't be late. Yeah, bye.
I'm going to be late. Time is
Why are you talking to me like that?
always, Mom, like that. Why are you beating me? I'm not a child.
I'm not your mom, and you know that. Just I say, sit there
Mom, every
and cook.
we are money, but I'm going to cook the food always.
I'm going to the food.
Chris, how are you doing? So, firstly, I'm so excited just to be this praise, and I'm so glad just to hear that everybody's okay here. And by the way, due to the time is rush, I'd like just to go ahead with the lesson that I'll be just preparing today. And the lesson is greetings. It's about greetings. So when I say greetings, number is a noun. So the verb which deliver from a noun greetings is the verb to greet. All right?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
So and also we have two kinds of greetings. We have formal greetings and informal greetings. So the difference between formal greetings and informal greetings. So we use formal greetings for respectful people like your father, your mom, and other one who are respectful. So and also we use informal greetings for someone that you are familiar with, especially your your friends. Okay, someone that you are familiar with, like your father. If you're familiar with your father, you can use informal greetings. Are we together?
Yes, teacher.
Great. So due to the time is rush, I would like just to hit my feet on the ground. I mean, I'm just going to another place so that I can occupy. And I think, the time. Oh, it is the time. I think we can leave. Okay. And have a good day. Maybe see you next time if God wishes. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. And so, hey, why are you laying your head down?
Oh, teacher, it's me.
Why? During the time I've just been explaining what I've been planning just to teach you, been just laying your head down, especially on the desk.
So, teacher, do you see, without lying you nowadays, my mom is somehow beating me because I don't know how I can say about it. Because of my tasks, I don't get time for learning.
Don't you get time?
No, I'm so always the work.
Oh my God! What kind of woman is she?
My mom, I don't know even me is surprised.
So let me ask you. So is she your biological mother or
No, she's not. She's my stepmother.
who? Your stepmother? Oh, I can feel you, which means I can understand what you mean. But next time during the praise, you should not have the time of just laying your head down.
I will not do it again, teacher. I will not do it again.
Just give enough. That if you do it again, I will just give you punishment.
Yeah, thank you very much. I will never do it again.
Okay, so I think I can leave now. Yeah, let's go. Set is the time.
Hi, mom.
Hi.
Are you okay? Nowadays it was so hard to school because we learned many things
What do
today.
you wanna do?
What, mom?
Shh.
Am I not allowed to eat this food?
No, you will not eat this.
Why? My brother then is eating.
Yeah, he is eating because he has in it.
So am I not allowed, mom, to touch?
What do you?
What? What are you doing,
Take
mom?
yours.
I come from school with much studies.
Even me, I'm hungry. I walk.
I'm so tired in my mind. Then you tell me to cook the food.
Even I am tired.
So what kind of mom are you?
Hey, I'm not your mom. Remember that I'm not your mom. And don't talk to me like
Every
that.
day to do. Even me, I will never eat your food.
You don't deserve to have my food. Cook yours and swim, wash the clothes.
Am I going to cook mine right now?
Yeah, you're going to cook yours. And don't talk to me like that. I'm not your mom. Don't you know that?
Every day to do things. I come from school, then they taught me to cook my food. I'm so tired of this, mom. Every day to do things like this. My brother, even you accepted this.
Me?
I don't know what kind of family I was born in.
Wanna take left?
Yeah, yes.
Just take it and give me this.
No, I cannot give.
Yeah, give him. He wash this.
My brother, do you accept this square?
Let's go sleep.
I don't know what I will do for you. I don't know.
Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, great. That's wonderful. Oh my God, I'm tired. I've been teaching. It has been a long day, and the time hasn't yet touched at the end. So, as you know, that in former days I taught you about greetings. So, which verb the Lord from me now in greetings? Yeah, you welcome.
To greet.
To greet. Oh, great. So, how many kinds of greetings do we have?
Yes, teacher, me?
Yes.
2 kind of greetings.
Oh, can you tell me them?
Formal greetings, the second informal greetings.
Oh, you much right. Let me give. You again?
Yes, teacher.
You.
Yeah, my mom.
Kneel down. Kneel
My
down.
teacher.
Kneel down. So every day, I always tell you not for being for.
It's my
not
mama.
being late.
Teacher, do you see? I wake up morning.
In former days, I saw you laying your head on the desk, and then now you are late. What is kinds of problems you have?
Give me time, teacher, to explain how it is.
just give me. Let me
You
see
see
the
at
time.
home.
Yeah, tell me.
I wake up at 5 p.m. morning.
Uh-huh.
Then I do some homes activities till 8. So my mama let me to go to school.
Always. What is that?
Even me, I told you, I don't know what kind of fuck my mama is. I don't know how she is.
So anyway, I have a good heart, and I can understand what you are going through. So therefore, I can just give it time for having it safe. And but next time, try to be on the time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I hope that in the coming time, I'm just going to go with you at your drilling praise.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick you while we get off school.
Okay, so where's the delegate?
Yes,
Delegate.
teacher. Yes.
Yo, oh my God, I have some notes due to the time is up.
Yes, which one?
I'll just to give you some notes. You see, there's a comparative. These things about adjectives.
Yeah.
And this one. Okay, you have just to copy them down on blackboard. Say, take chalk.
Let's go.
Okay.
Time is the money, man. Where? You delegate. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Hey class, do you remember how many times our teacher advised us to respect our delegate?
Time is
Our
money.
leaders.
Time is money.
Okay, let me stop it. I will tell our
Then
teacher
again,
that you stop
time is like
keeping
already the whistle is blown. We have to go to
So
school.
let's go. Let's go.
It's time to get off school. Let's go
I
home.
will tell our teacher this.
Hey, teacher.
Noise?
They refuse me to keep going on, taking notes.
You. Samples? You? Oh, but I feel
I
like
understand. They don't respect.
oh my God.
They don't respect. I
Anyway,
don't know why.
due to the time is that it is on the time. So you are lucky. Yes, I can expel you. Okay, so by the way, I'd like just to talk to you and show your home.
Yeah, let me show you my home.
Okay.
So that you can talk with my mom.
Oh.
Let's go.
You see,
Mom, are you okay?
You're welcome.
Yeah, now I come with my teacher. Dad, are you okay?
yeah, shalom.
And my fucking brother, I see him.
He's not fucking your brother. Not fucking your brother.
I'm your.
So I've been hearing or listening to our fellow brother. He is my pupil. He told me that sometimes he's just being treated and very bad. Okay, I say the worst one. Okay, he told me that his stepmother treated him very bad. So is that true? Tell me.
No, it's not true.
Oh, Dad,
Not true?
it's true. Even Daddy don't know that.
Don't talk to me like
Hey,
that.
as a
I will
father.
kill you.
Hey.
I will kill you.
My mom is like Satan. Even me, I don't know how she
I
is.
will kill you.
I will kill me for what?
Don't you see your boy?
For what?
Don't you see your boy?
Dad, you don't know the truth of in this house.
You know, you were next one. You like to say lion.
Always I go to school late. I don't know. My teacher always.
Hey,
my
stop.
leg is broke
Stop
because
a little
of
bit. Stop a
arriving
little bit.
late.
Oh, stop making noise. So, as a father, do you know this is a problem?
What is that? I don't understand what is happening right now.
Even you too, you are surprised.
Hey, oh my God.
Yes, my dad don't know
What
that.
is this, my wife?
So anyway, due to I'm late because I have an appointment with the director, so therefore I can leave now so that you can just resolve as a man. Okay, you are a gentleman.
Yes,
you
thank
are
you.
mature enough. You can just talk to your wife so that you can just treat your children very well as his son. Okay, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And even other day you're welcome. And as a father, I'm going to solve it. Don't worry.
Thank you,
Yeah,
teacher,
thank you
for
so
coming,
much.
solving this problem at home.
We should not have just treated it.
Ntabwo twari gufata n'aba bana
Especially stepdaughter or stepmother,
cyangwa abana tutabyaye
is they are not yours.
nk'uko atari ab'iwawe.
So therefore, we should just treat them as our children.
Ahubwo mukwiye kubafata nk'ab'iwanyu.
Okay, thank you very much.
Nibyo murakoze cyane.
God bless you.
Imana ibayizakire.
Okay. So I greet you, ladies and gentlemen. So you are with Mr. Barake. I'm journalist, and I'm with my fellow brother. I think he can just present himself. Yeah, you're just giving the floor.
Thank you so much. As I told you before, my name is Jimmy, and I'm a journalist from the United States of America. I'm in USA, and I used to hear some rumors spoken around EdSam on your website. And today, as a journalist, I said, let me go just there to see if what I've seen there is true or not. Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
So where did you study?
I studied at Etesam High School.
Oh, great. I think I can just give you the floor so that I can ask your invitees here.
You are welcome, journalist.
Oh, thank you so much. You have told us that you study at Etesam High School.
Yes.
So that's great. So, Luma spoken around Etesam. What is that? Yes.
Thank you very much. Etesam is a high school.
Oh, thank you. Etesam is a high school.
Yes.
My second question is this: can you tell us more about Etesam?
Thank you very much for that. Firstly, as you heard, Etesam is high school which gives
quality education for students who study here at Etisam High School, as you know.
Yeah.
And more, I can just say for Etisam, yeah, we are many students, but we have enough classes to study in, enough computers to know much IT, and we have enough trees, I mean gardens, so that we can get fresh air in our classes, as you see. And also, unforgettable, we have a good leadership with our dear representative here at Etisam High School. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you so much. You've told us that you have teachers who are experienced in teaching. So my first question is this: what about teachers' skills and knowledge?
Yeah, thank you very much again. About the teachers and the teachings here at Etisam High School, we really appreciate very much because we have the teachers who are sufficiently qualified in the way they teach, in everything they do. Because me, I do look them sometimes, then I say, are these teachers learned in America? What?
They know how to teach. They know how to teach.
Much experience in their teachings.
They make you understand.
Yeah.
So my fourth question: how many sections and clubs do you have here?
Thank you for your question. We have 4 sections like IN, IT, IG, Assurance Bank. We have also clubs. Yeah, here entrepreneur club, English club, French club, yeah, and dance club.
Okay, what is the importance of those clubs?
We have many importance for our club, especially entrepreneur club. They teach us how we can get our own money, how we can create our own job, and for really right now that we are talking about, I have my own money, I buy my cars, and I'm going to buy an airplane. That is why, and in English club, we have many opportunities just to go in abroad in USA, like you hear at some school there in USA. It's because in English club we get many opportunities to going to study there at USA.
So I have a child who likes studying English. It means if I bring him here, you can support him?
Of course, yes, we can support
him. Okay, thank you so much. Let me give the floor to my colleague here.
So I greet you once again. So we just keep dealing with this in interview. So at what time do you get in and out, especially in the class?
Thank you for your question. At the Etisam, we get in 7:30 and then we get out 2:15 p.m. Thank you.
Oh, great. So when do you practice the theories? Some of you can respond to person. When do you practice the theories, especially to put in action what you studied in former days?
Thank you very much. From Monday up to every day we do some practice.
Oh, great. So, and also what about Etisam's location?
Thank you. Etisam is located in Kinama Zone, Luigi Cola, street number 25, near Kinama Market. Thank you very much.
So, what is the final words can you just finalize with, especially to tell those who are following this interview, what you can finalize with?
Thank you very much again for the floor. My final word I can say for everybody who is here. Firstly, I would like just to appreciate very much. Firstly, I would like just to appreciate very much for our dear representative who organized this party and this special we call Etisam Day. And secondly, I would like just to say thank you for you as journalists who came here at Etisam High School. And by finalizing the audience, I tell them to invite students who are in the quarter to continue their studies here at Etisam High School. Yeah, thank you very much.
So thank you very much. As you can see here, I was with my fellow brother, Jimmy. As you can see him, he's a journalist, and we were with students or people from high school Etisam. So we are so glad and we love you so much. Ciao, ciao. Thank you very much.
The rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together. Oh yeah, and oh my love, I'm hurrying on forever, reaching for the road that seems so far. So I say, no, my dreams will take me there, where the skies are blue, to see you once again, my love. Overseas from coast to coast, to find the place I love the most, where the fields are green, to see you once again, my love. I try to live, go to work, I'm laughing with my friends, but I can't stop to keep myself from thinking. Oh no, I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang